currently we experience many crises. Also, there is a strong drive to reach the Sustainable Development Goals to restore nature's balance. How can we see this drive in light of nature's program?
This is happening to us from nature. Whether we see it as a crisis or not is a question of resolution. Like, how high is your resolution of perception? It used to be that few people saw it that way. So the higher the resolution, the more clear it is that everything's in imbalance. We are collectively developed to a point where our resolution is like in the billions of pixels area in terms of the emotional, the care that we feel, or let's put it this way, we feel it as danger. We don't feel it as care. But we need to turn it into care. This is aid from nature so that we begin to feel this and realize that it's up to us to supply a conscious balance to nature. But the other thing that's happening is that it's also showing us that we're not going to supply that perfect balance and homeostasis with the imperatives of nature through technology or through our minds or through social theory or carbon taxes or any of the approaches that we're taking from the area of perception of reality which constitutes the problem. It has to come from a place of much greater care and connection. It has to be something voluntary in every one of us, because what's failing is that we can't live in the integral quality of nature, in the quantum aspect of nature that's being revealed to us. That no, you don't get to hide this from yourself by going, no, I can't hear, I can't. No more. We know that we're living in it, and the only way that we can live in it in a sustainable way is to change everybody, to change their nature to want to live in a completely integrated and responsible way with each other, which means we have to work to change our heart. No matter what we do, no matter what steps we take, even if it's all done, all the same step from the UN or from wherever you want, and you mandate it everywhere, it can't work. The mandate has to come from a collective recognition that the responsibility to the whole is completely apparent. Everyone is dependent on me, on you, and what you do and what you want, and that we need to ask to be able to be changed by nature, to work that way in our attitudes with each other. That's what these crises are for, to build a correct desire for the correct thing. Now we need to understand how that's done. That's what Kabbalah is for. It's for this era, this epoch, and it's to show us how to live in that completely inter-inclusive reality that we're entering.